Startup versus small business. Which one is for you? What is a small business? A privately held company, partnership, or sole proprietorship that employs very few people and generates relatively little money is considered a small business. Since they make up the bulk of companies and employment in the US, small businesses constitute the foundation of the economy. What is a startup company? A startup is a recently formed firm that is usually defined by high risk, innovation, and growth potential. Entrepreneurs with a vision to disrupt an existing market or create a new one frequently find success. What are the differences between a small business and a startup? Startups and small enterprises differ in several important ways, such as expansion. Small firms are sometimes more concerned with maintaining a steady and sustainable operation, while startups are usually more focused on quick expansion and growing their operations. Innovation. Small firms frequently provide well-established goods or services in a certain area, but startups are frequently propelled by creative ideas and revolutionary technology. Funds. Small firms are frequently self-funded or depend on conventional financing techniques like loans or personal savings, whereas startups frequently look to outside investors or venture capitalists for funds to support their expansion. Risk. Startups face a lot of uncertainty in their operations and take calculated risks to reach their lofty objectives. Even if they still face dangers, small enterprises frequently have more stable and predictable business models. Scalability. Scalable business models that can be quickly duplicated and extended are the goal of startups. Small companies might not have ambitions for significant scalability and instead concentrate on catering to a particular local market. Which is more necessary, a startup or a little business? The easiest technique to choose if you should launch a small business or a startup is to think about your own aims and requirements. Starting a small business might be the ideal choice for you if you want to build a prosperous, long-lasting company that will support you and your family for many years to come. A startup could be a better option for you if you have a strong desire to solve an issue or upend an industry and are prepared to assume a large amount of risk to get there. Here are some more factors to think about while deciding between a small business and a startup. Your background and abilities. Do you possess the background and abilities required to establish and run a small or startup firm successfully? Your tolerance for risk. How at ease are you with taking chances? Small firms are less risky by nature than startups. Your financial resources. What is the amount of money you are ready and able to put into your company? Startups sometimes need a large initial outlay of funds. Your time commitment. Are you prepared to put in the time and effort required to establish a profitable company? Particularly in the beginning, startups may be quite demanding. Regardless of the route you take, launching a business is a difficult but worthwhile endeavor. You may create a prosperous company that will enable you to live the lifestyle you choose with perseverance and hard work.